Hi, today's review video is on the Sophia Tote by Crafted by Leanne. I've made quite a few of these because it was used as a retreat pattern a few retreats ago. So obviously I made a few in preparation for that, and I thought I'd share the ones that I've made with you today. Hi, welcome back to my channel, the Bag Maker Society. My name's Deb and I make videos on all things bag making, as well as running my bag making supply business here in the UK called Me Made Makes. So today's video is showing you the couple of Sophia totes that I've made. I have actually made a few more, but I don't actually have them anymore because they've been gifted or donated. But I have still got a couple that I have made. The retreat that was, I want to say October last year, we used the Sophia pattern. It might have been the one in March last year. I can't actually remember now. But yeah, so I made a few up in preparation for the retreat, obviously, so that I am used to the pattern and can help anybody out with any questions or anything that they have. So without further ado, I'll show you the couple that I've made. So this is the Sophia tote that I actually made at the retreat last year. It's made in a cotton, which is been interfaced, and then foam is my stabilizer in this one. It will come as no surprise that, you know, I am obsessed with this fabric. I have quite a bit of it in my stash. It's leaf print and it's green. I mean, I just love it. So yeah, this was the version that I made up. I've got green thread as my contrast on my straps, and the straps are two-tone as well. And then I used this fabric, which again I have a little bit of in my stash because I love it, which is Monster Leaf black and white. So I thought it went really well. So it has a zip pocket, which I've done my usual and done an accent, and then I also have a slip pocket on the inside. So this has a recessed zipper in it, and I love the shape of it. I think it's just such a beautiful bag. It didn't take long to sew up. The pattern does have pieces so that you can separate this middle piece and make it out of two contrasting pieces if you want to. So you can sort of vary it up and make it quite unique. But yeah, it does come together really sort of quickly, especially when you're doing it just in this one piece like I have. But I've got another one to show you as well. This one was made using an embroidery design that I have. This embroidery is by Natalie from Also Good Fabrics. I will link her Facebook page or her website in the description box down below as well. But as you can see, it's quite an abstract Highland cow. It's just fab. I just love it. I love anything leafy print and I love anything Highland cow. So this just worked perfectly. I didn't centre it perfectly on my bag. It's a little bit off centre, but I think it adds to the quirkiness. It was made in a denim with just black vinyl as my straps and my strap connectors, and then I also used the black vinyl as my zipper placket as well, and I really liked how that turned out. I thought it sort of made it a little bit different, made it a little bit more unique. And then kind of following on from the Highland Scottish theme, I have tartan on the inside. So I have a slip pocket and a zip pocket, which is done with an accent piece as well. That's pretty standard for me. But yeah, if I can find any pictures of any of the other bags that I did make, if I've took pictures of them. I probably haven't because I'm awful for remembering to take pictures, but if I have, I will pop them in the video somewhere. But yeah, this is just like sort of one of my favourites that came from this pattern. I made quite a few up in like wool blends, and it just looked very stylish and really, really suited that sort of aesthetic. I will put a link in the description box down below to the Sophia Tote pattern if you want to buy it and have a go yourself. If you do make any, please do share them in the Facebook group, or if you've made a Sophia Tote in the past, please do comment in the comments box and let me know how you got on with it. If you've enjoyed today's video, please do give it a like. The YouTube algorithm will love you, and more importantly, so will I. It really does help my videos be seen by people who haven't come across me yet. And if you want to see more bag making videos in the future, please do consider subscribing, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.